OpenVINO Benchmark Kit Installation Video. This how-to video is designed to teach you how to install and run the OpenVINO benchmark and its demo. Before install and run this demo, please ensure the network connection is stable. This demo requires to download data from internet. At first, plug in the Ubuntu stick and boot the system. Before doing the installation, please press Delete button to enter the BIOS. Press the Tab key to the boot window. Ensure that Ubuntu stick is in the first boot option. If the Ubuntu stick is not in the first boot option, press plus or minus to switch it to the first boot option, and press F10 to save and reset the system. After rebooting, in the GNU Grub menu, press Enter and wait for the system to be loaded. Then, a disk checking task will be performed to ensure that the Ubuntu stick is good to go. You can press Ctrl+C to bypass this procedure. Next screen enters the desktop, choose your preferred language, and click Install Ubuntu. At this screen, choose the keyboard layout, click Continue. As for the updates and other software section, it's recommended to choose Normal Installation. At the Installation Type screen, please choose something else instead. We need to partition the disk manually. Please click the free space and click plus button below the list. A Create Partition window will be popped up. Type 100 MB in the size field and choose DFI System Partition in the Users list. Next step, we're gonna create another swap partition. Choose the free space again and click plus button. Enter the size of 8192 and choose swap area. The final step is to create a partition for operation system as the main storage area. Please create it from the free space without entering any number. Assign ext4 journaling file system to be mounted in /. After finishing these procedures, click Install Now. Press Continue to confirm the changes that will be applied to the disk. At the next screen, choose the time zone you're located. Enter preferred ID and password. And then, wait for system to install. The installation usually finishes in 10 minutes. After the installation is done, system will reboot automatically. Click the username and enter password to log into the desktop. After the installation of Ubuntu is done, we need to download and deploy OpenVINO benchmark kits. Please open the Firefox browser and type go.dfi.com OpenVINO-kits to retrieve necessary files. These files are located on Google Drive without credentials. Please download them to the Downloads folder. You can change the folder name to preferred strings for easier operation in terminal. Here we change it to the OpenVINO. There are several files in the folder. The text file contains operation procedure, so let it be opened for reference. Next step is to enter the terminal. After entering the terminal, go to the correct path, which contains files just downloaded. Type chmod space 777 space ** to grant sufficient permissions. And then we are going to set up the environment. Just type /envsetup.sh and press enter. Password may be necessary. Setup process will be triggered and that takes minutes. The duration depends on the network speed. It usually finishes in 10 minutes. Please stay with the computer in case any confirmation dialog pops up. Press Y if any confirmation dialog pops up. After the process is done, the system will reboot automatically. Please get into the terminal again with correct path and press /demokits.sh to download other relevant resources. This process also takes minutes. Next step, we are ready to run the demo. Press /run_demo.sh. The system will start to load resources, so please be waiting for the demo window to pop up. Don't press any key to interrupt it. Within 1 minute the demo window will jump out. It's a real-time demo that this machine is doing vehicle detection by OpenVINO on a pre-recorded video. Information at the bottom indicates the performance. This window remains open until the end of this video. You can close it at any time. Next step, we're going to run the benchmark. It's a little bit tricky. Please type /run_benchmark.sh and press enter to activate the Docker. The console will be then within the Docker. Then press /mnt/openvino/benchmark.sh to run the benchmark. Please be noticed that the folder name between mnt and benchmark.sh is the folder which contains downloaded script files. Benchmark also takes time. Please do not press any key to interrupt it. After minutes the results will show up. After the environment was set up, you can visit Edge Software Hub to get more application examples and start to build your own applications.